Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the 12 Days of Fun 2021 Fabfitfun calendar. I just resubscribed to Fabfitfun because I wanted to buy this calendar so badly. So yeah, I'm going to share it with you. I already did a quick view of the calendar and some swatches, but I wanted to share it with you as well. The calendar, the price is $79 and the retail value, the sum of all of the products, is $320. So I think it's a great deal, guys. So we receive this card. In this card, so you're going to have all the products with all the prices. We are not going to see that now. So we are going to see the products. So here, number one, first day, we have the Bite Beauty Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Cinnamon Twist. It's like a perfect fall shade. It looks like this. Bite Beauty and this. I already tried it because I wanted to do the swatch for you, and this is how the shade looks like. It's like a brown shimmer shade, very pretty. So yeah, number two, we have it here. Number two, we have, let me see if it can focus, Cocoa by Stones smells like a winter forest candle. Here we go. This candle is a small candle, but it's very cute and smells so yummy. This is how it looks like. I love candles. It's made exactly like winter forest. So that one, number two. Number three, guys, we have a big size product, a Tangle Twister Professional Detangling Hair Brush for wet and dry hair, the original one. I am so excited to try this brush because my hair is very long. I get tangled so easily. So yeah, here we have it. That one was number three. Number four, here it is. Number four, we have the Cover FX Shimmer Veil in the shade Halo. So the product looks like this. Could be like a nice eyeshadow. Very pretty. And I think that is a full-size product. So the shade looks like this. Okay, perfect for like an eyeshadow for New Year if you can focus for there you have it. So that one, number four. Number five is the brand Mantra brand. This is the shade, the bracelet, believe. Very pretty bracelet. So that one was number 6. Here we are, number 6. We have full-size product. It's a 10 Miracle Deep Conditioner with keratin. I have the leave-in and I love it. So I am excited to try this one. So that one, number 6. Number 7. Here we have number 7. Let's see what we have. We have this Tila Stay All Day Smosh Sticks Waterproof Eyeliner. So let's open. The shade is Danso. Let me see if we can open it up so you can see the shade. You see how it looks like. Okay. and it's like a brown shade. I already did a swatch, a dark brown shade. Okay, looks like that. So yeah, that one was number 7. So number 8 here is a big one. Number 8, we have an organizer case. So yeah, it looks like this. It's a case with a mirror. Let me open the case. This is how the case, organizer case, looks like. You could put lipstick, nail polish, you could put earrings, bracelet, a necklace. You could put everything here, and this is the mirror that you're going to have. Very nice organizer. Okay. So yeah, and that one was number 8. So number 9, we have it here. And the right, we have, it's not so easy with one hand. We have the Sugar by NCLA Beauty in the shade Pink Champagne, or in the flavor Pink Champagne, because it's a lip scrub. Let me open the lip scrub. It looks like this. You know that for winter we have dry skin, dry lips, and this is perfect for winter to scrub our lips, and it smells so yummy, like bubble gum, something like that. So yeah, this is the lip scrub. That one's number 9. Number 10 is a big one. Oh, number 10, we have some socks, and with 2 scrunchies in white and pink. And these are the socks. Let me take it out. This is how the socks and the scrunchies looks like. The brand is Summer Rose Socks and Scrunchies set. We have snowflakes, red socks, we have pink, and we have another red socks. Perfect for winter. Number 11, we have, let me see, what is this? This is the Bonjour Vanilla Bloom Multi-Use Body Wash Infused Buffer. This is one of the favorites of Fabfitfun. We can see this brand is in add-ons, and I already have one and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. This is how it looks like. It's like a flower for a perfect bath and yummy scent. So that one was 11th. So the last one, number 12. Number 12. I thought that it was number, I already did it, but not. Number 12 in the Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Serum. Looks like this. Let me open it. This is what the serum looks like. A very pretty packaging with hyaluronic acid to plump the skin. So yeah, this is the 12 days of fun of Fabfitfun. It's a great box, like you can see. So yeah, see you the next one. Bye.